Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, you will learn how to refine your digital code search and identify specific sections more accurately in Digital Codes Premium. My name is Tracy Deese, and I am the Digital Code Support Lead for ICC, and I will be your presenter today. I will overview search options, advanced search options, and quick and easy access tools to use in your premium digital code subscription. So let's go into our Digital Codes Premium. To get to the Digital Codes Premium, you will go to the URL codes.iccsafe.org, and you will sign in with your ICC online account, email, and password. You will see that I'm signed in, and I am using the Premium Complete. The first thing we're going to go over is a few quick access tools that you have. I am currently in my library, but if I go to my dashboard, we have a couple of quick options here. The first you will see is a quick access. This is where you can find individual sections within your library, so you don't necessarily have to go into your code book. If you know what section you're looking for, you can quickly find it from your dashboard. For instance, let's enter in a code title. And you will see that they all will populate so you can choose. There's commentaries. Of course, again, I'm using Premium Complete, so I have commentary access. I'm going to click on the building code. And then you can begin to enter in your search. I'm going to enter in 601. Now you'll see that it will start giving me suggestions below. So if you don't know exactly what that section title is or the number, it will give you options listed below. So once you click on that particular section, it brings it directly up on the page. So this is a great and easy way to find a section if you need that quickly without having to go into my library, finding the book, and locating it there. On this section, you will see on the edit, there's a toolbar at the top right. You will have the option to jump directly to that section. What that's going to do is bring up the code book itself. It's going to bring up the International Building Code directly to that section. You can copy and paste. This will state it's going to copy that to your clipboard. You can easily just use your mouse or your keypad to copy and paste that in an email. You have a print option that will allow you to print it, or you can download it as a PDF. There is a share link. This particular share section will come up where you can enter in an email address where you want to share this section link with another individual. And you can share that with multiples, just separating those emails by commas. That individual will receive an email stating you have shared this section with them, and they will be able to read that section you have shared. If they have a premium, it will save it in their history. But today we're going to focus on, again, how we can search. So this, again, is a quick way to find your section. Just below, you'll see Content Search. This is where you're looking for a keyword or a topic. You have filters above. Right now I'm in Commentaries, and I'm in 2018. You don't necessarily have to put anything in your filters if you want to search over your complete library. However, if you are using a Premium Complete at this time, then it will bring up what particular codes that you have purchased and what is in your library. We're going to go over Content Search a little bit more in depth. So I'm just showing you this is on the dashboard, but we'll go over that in just a moment when we start going into the advanced search fields. Another quick way to get to your library on the page is you will have your recently viewed, favorites, and recently added. You can reach your favorites. Again, here, these are linked. You can go directly to your codes. Recently added means I'm using Premium Complete, so those are codes that have been added to this format. You can also reach your favorites over to the panel here on the left. To create a favorite, once you open a code, next to the title, you're going to see that heart icon. Click the heart icon and it will add it to your favorites. So here's 3 quick ways you can get to your particular books just off the dashboard. So again, here we had a section. If you want to find a code easily within your library, at the very top, you will see Find Codes. Now you will notice to the left you have categories: collections, commentaries, standards, states. Again, this is within Premium Complete, or it will show the titles that you have purchased. You will have the option to filter by year. I'm going to go to iCodes. And I'm going to filter to the 2018. So it will pull up all the 2018 codes that we have. This again is Premium Complete. It will pull up what you have in your library. If you want to search for a particular code within that development, you can pull up residential, and it will pull up that residential immediately. Let's say you wanted to look at all the residential that you have available. Take that filter out for 2018, and it will pull up every residential that we have. It's going to pull up, again, if you're in Premium Complete, it's going to pull up your commentaries as well as all your years available for your IRC. This goes the same for commentaries, so if I click on commentaries and keep that residential in, it's going to pull up the commentaries. If I choose California as a state, it's going to pull up those residential codes for California. So directly when you sign in, if you just want to look for a code, this is a great and convenient way by just searching through Find Codes. Now let's go into My Library. Let's give this a moment to put my books in there. Again, this is very similar to Find Codes. You're going to have your categories. And again, you can search for a title. So if you just simply don't want to go to your navigation toolbar and go into My Library, again, you can use the Find Codes, or you can go to My Library. It has the same search. Also on My Library, you're going to see your recently viewed. So again, there's an easy way. If it's a code that you go to on a regular basis, it's going to show your top 5 recently viewed codes. Just below, again, you're going to have My Favorites, as well as your recently added. So Find Codes and My Library, you have quick and easy access here as well to search for a title. So let's go actually into a code. Now that you see that I'm in the 2021 Fire Code, I can search within this title. So once you open a title, there again, you have another search field. So let me enter in something here to search. Now I've put in sprinkler. Now it's going to give other options and populate some things that you might be interested in searching if you don't know the complete title, but I'm just going to leave sprinkler in. This is going to show on my content search results. Now you'll see that all the word sprinkler is highlighted. I was looking in the 2021 fire code. So you will see that over to the left, it's indicated 2021 and fire code. I can choose other publications that I want to look up sprinkler in, and I can choose different years. On the search results, you'll see that it will give you the title of the code, as well as the chapter and the section. These are linked, so you can go directly to that chapter to where that search result and subsection is showing. Up to the top right, again, you're going to notice that toolbar where you have the jump directly to the code, the copy, paste, and print option. So sprinkler in a fire code is going to be pretty relevant through the whole code. So I want to do a more refined search. Click on Advanced Search, and you will have options such as any of these words, this exact phrase, all of these words, or none of these words. So you will see that I have this exact phrase as sprinkler. So let's change this to sprinkler heads. So you can refine your advanced search as much as you want through those advanced options. And again, you will have your chapter, code, and subsection that's in. You will also have the opportunity to check off these that you don't want, the years that you don't want, and again, it will result as you change those filters. If this is going to be a search that you're going to be using, basically something you're going to be coming back to on a daily basis, or it's something that you often search, you can save a search. Click on Save Search. Give that particular search a title and click on Save. Just below, you will see where the saved searches will remain. The results and the saved searches are going to be under your content search. If you no longer want that search, you can delete it by clicking on the icon. If you would like to search for another topic or keyword, take out your filters and just enter in a different content search. So these are great and easy ways to search the content of a digital subscription. We will continue with the monthly live webinars. Today again was on advanced search. In May, we will have navigating content offerings. So that will be on our events calendar. You can also learn more about Premium on our Premium Features page. And again, we do have support available for you. We do have the live chat, our direct extension, and our support email line. We have several tutorials and live webinars that are on social media. We have on YouTube broken down features and live webinars such as this, and we also have a free full Premium Complete tutorial that's on our YouTube under the International Code Council Media that's listed there. So be sure and check those out if you want to look at some other features, but of course you can always contact us for that help and support. Again, thank you for your time, and we'll be happy to help you, and have a good afternoon and stay safe.